got a 100. Hello everyone, today we are doing the unit test of fractions as quotients and fraction multiplication. Let's get started. A salmon fish eats 3 kilograms of krill in 1 week. How many kilograms of krill would a salmon eat in 3 weeks? Well, 3 halves times 3 equals 9 halves, and 9 halves equals 4 and 1 half, so it's equal to 4 and 5. Which is 1 and 7 tenths times 5. Well, 1 and 7 tenths equals 17 tenths, and 17 tenths times 5 equals 75 tenths. Wait, 17 tenths times 5 equals... Okay, well, 5 times 7 tenths equals 35 tenths, or 3 and 1 half. And 5 times 1 equals 5, so 8 and 1 half. Now, which one also equals 8 and 1 half? 7 halves also equals 8 and 1 half, because 16 halves equals 8, and then the extra half makes 17 halves. 6 times 1/3 equals 6/3, which equals 2. Okay, so this one is 3/4 times 3/4. You multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So 3 times 3 equals 9, and 4 times 4 equals 16, so 9/16. 3 divided by 10 equals 3/10. And let's use multiplication to solve 2 divided by 1/4 equals c. You flip it around and make 2 times 4 equals c. So it would be CA. Raul bought six tangerines and ate 2/3 of them. Omar bought 8 tangerines and ate 1/4 of them. Who ate more tangerines? Well, 6 tangerines times 2/3 equals 12/3, which equals 4. And 8 tangerines, 8 times 1/4 equals 8/4, which equals 2. And 4 is greater than 2, so Raul ate more tangerines. A vial holds 2 millimeters of pixie dust. How many vials can we fill with 13 milliliters of pixie dust? 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and the extra half, so 6 and 1 half. What is 3 and 5/6 times 2? 5/6 times 2 equals 10/6, which equals 1 and 4/6, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So 7 and 4/6. 24. No, hold on. 7 and 2/3 equals 7 and 4/6. And 21 divided by 3 equals 7, and then the remaining 2/3, 7 and 2/3. So it's B and C. Sandy bought 6 medium cartons of blueberries. Each medium carton held 3/4 liters of blueberries. Lindsay bought 2 large cartons of blueberries. Each large carton held 9/4 liters of blueberries. Who bought more blueberries? 6 times 3/4 equals 18/4, which equals 4 and 2/4. 2 times 9/4 equals 18/4, which also equals 4 and 2/4, which also equals 4 and 2/4. And Sandy bought and 3/4 times 6 equals 18/4, which equals 4 and 2/4. And Lindsay also bought 4 and 2/4. So they bought the same number of liters of blueberries. Yay, we got a 100.